go. My friend's gonna bring it. Okay. Yo, bring more thingy. Oh yeah, I need to show you guys something. You wanna see something sick? Yeah. Yeah, we have.
Yo, refuel this Lamborghini to say no.
I know. I'm refueling everything. Bro, it looks so weird when you refuel and you on the side it looks like you know what I mean. Yo, yay! Yo, what the heck?
Whoa!
Yo, what the? Yo!
I went too fast.
Yo, what the heck was that?
I went too fast.
I'm sure.
Yo, the car stuck.
Yeah, that's why I said stop.
Oh, no.
Yeah, now we only have like 10 Lamborghinis.
Look at all of these. Wait, I want to park all of these Lamborghinis in their own like privates.
Yeah, okay, that's okay. Hello.
I want to make I want to make a car park. I want to make a car park.
Hi. Oh yeah.
Can we make a car park after?
Yeah, okay, that's okay. Hi. R1. Let's go. Bro, this is like such a big jump. Oh, you're not gonna see.
Man, if you break all of this, I'm gonna own it.
No, I swear you're the one who's gonna do it.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? Oh, it's nice. Yeah, I'm gonna start parking these and then you go.
Make sure you don't crash into the wall like I did.
Yes. Even better. Just like so. Let's go.
Make sure you park it straight. Unless you'll be failing your driving license.
Oh my god, what the heck is this? No! No! Yui, I'm running. No! I dropped a black Lamborghini out.
No,
Bro,
we didn't.
We only need 2 anyways. I broke a board.
We need all the cars. We can make a two-story high like a car park.
No, we can't. This is much height.
That's max height. You can't build any higher. No.
You can't even build a roof. I was gonna build a roof, and then
I'm gonna place more car parks.
Oh, I don't have no mats. Can I have some mats?
This is my last 200 brick.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. No, build one right here. Build one right here. Build a big one right here. Don't waste it. One right here. One wall right here. No, not here. This is where the truck is gonna be. Right here. A wall right here.
Where?
Where I'm standing. Yeah. And another one right here.
There's gonna be 2 trucks.
No, 1 truck. Can't you see?
Then what?
Oh, there's no fuel in this. Yeah, you start driving while I put some fuel in. Yo, what the? You start driving?
Man, we can just do like normal. Like this.
Yeah. Just forget it. Just leave it.
Wait, I'm gonna go back.
Yeah, nice. While you drive, I'm gonna put some fuel in it. Let's go. This is perfect, bro. More than perfect. Check it out, bro. Hey, stop peeing in.
Oh, I thought you can go forward.
Oh, just don't.
Should I bring another truck?
Nah, just forget it.
That was a great truck. I don't know.
Okay, I don't have no more.
Yo, this car lights up. It was just lighting up.
Wait, what?
A dog. It had pink lights at the back.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna get out here. Okay, I'm gonna start fueling these up. Okay. Whoa!
Yo, look. Wait, nah. It was showing pink lights. I don't know why it's not showing it now.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go down, get some food. Come on, just get another truck.
Yeah, you can go get another. I'm gonna stop fueling these up, and then, yep. Okay, this is gonna be the best thing ever. And I mean,
Imagine.
no, only one person has done this before.
Us.
No, one person.
Who?
Me, Zelk.
So you copied his idea.
No, I don't want you to do this. You know when when cars first were leaked, I was literally the first person to think, oh, let's make a biggest stamp ever and just don't know over it. I like doing that in every game, bro. My favorite thing to do. Oh yeah, there's a rubbish can. There's gonna be a rubbish can in the one of the. There's gonna be a rubbish can in the corner, okay, where you can throw your used thingy, thingy, you know. Yo, this looks sick. Yeah, just basically just gonna drop down, like use them, and then just drop them like that. Sick. Let's go. Let's get it. This is sick.
This truck perfectly fits in this.
But you know what
Oh, no,
Elk did? He went to max fire. He just built a ramp. He built 2 stairs, like I don't even know how big. But then he just ran down. He never made a whole car park and everything. Bro, you had a sick idea though. What are you
Yeah.
thinking? Oh,
If we do another bar lab, I'm making my own car park with 2 stories something.
Any sick? Oh, get out of here, bro. Go in the other room now. Bro, okay, yeah, park it by here, okay? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go get other cars so you can park them, because I don't know how to park.
And if, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get another one, not just Lamborghinis.
Oh, yeah. Try to find a taxi, man. I wanna find one.
Oh, there's some taxis over there. But I found.
Do you know
one
how
right
I
here.
can park so straight? When I was younger, I used to play car parking games.
Yeah, me too, don't lie. That's so true, like, you have to have like one thingy and then you would just like literally play it all day long and then you'll be like, oh, let's go, I'm in 300 games.
Yeah.
And it would be sick. Everybody would love it. Yo, how do you turn this thing off?
There's so much gas.
How do you get all that? Let's go, go. Let's go. It's gonna be sick though. I'm bringing it up for you, okay? A car. And I'm gonna get like a taxi car if I can, okay? This goes 35 miles per hour. It's not gonna go that. Oh wait, it's going up. Okay, no one.
Yo, I found another way to glitch and get more duplicates. Yo, it literally breaks the game. I'm not telling you though.
No,
Like, it's a way
I
to
can tell.
duplicate it.
No. No, this is why we just... Wait, stop. Wait, can you stop?
Yo, I got full gas icons from doing it.
Wait.
Yo, look at this. 1,
No, throw it here.
two,
You know the one that I used? Throw him at this wall over here, yeah, and then you just go down, okay? No, stop.
Yo, look, I got so much. 5 already.
How?
Look at this. Full.
It's not doing anything. Yo, what the?
When you flew while doing the glitch. No way. I used a launch pad, so I didn't die.
What? No!
I used a launch
I
pad.
tried to
No
take
way.
revenge on you.
Nah, wait. You just play. I don't know if you placed a launch pad there, but I went so back and I
You
just
did remember
used the launch pad.
for the loot.
Nah.
Oh,
That's so sick.
one car, look, come up here. One car is already parked properly. Boom, by me, the one and only, bro. Oh, this thing has only 24% of fuel.
Yo, I got full gas icons. Yo, are you broadcasting while we're doing this glitch?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You know what, yo.
There's 0 people watching you.
No, there isn't actually. No, after this is gonna
I'm
be
just
like...
gonna get so much
Bro,
gas
look,
icons.
it looks sick though. When you just throw it up in the air, you can make so many patterns. No.
Yo, I'm literally breaking the game.
Bro, me too, bro. Bro, mine's how much? How quick can you get it? You know,
Yo,
every
look,
time
if
I
you
do this.
no. If you have a full inventory and do the glitch, it just drops it, so it's mad.
But how do you do the glitch?
I'm not telling you.
No, do you know you should do the glitch with? No, bro, what the heck?
Look how much gas I cover doing.
You know why you should do the glitch? Don't do the glitch here. Don't do the glitch here. You see this corner over here?
Yeah.
No. Start doing the glitch over here if you want it.
I need to do the glitch somewhere. Wait. Oh, already got 5. Already got 5. Yo, my glitch is more faster than your glitch.
Look. Right here, do it right here. No! No!
I was trying to do glitch.
Yeah, okay, it's okay. Yo. Oh my god. What? I'm standing in midair somehow. Okay, it's okay.
Yeah, if you just stand here and do the glitch, it just drops.
No, do the glitch in the
I'm
corner.
lagging so much. I'm at 20 FPS. Wait.
20 FPS?
Like, if you break the game, your FPS just drops. So look, it's 40 now. It's 40.
Nothing. You don't need to know. No. Do the glitch in that corner there. Okay, no. No!
Why did you just fall down?
No!
Again, you just keep falling down.
It's not my fault.
Yeah, you did it yourself.
I mean, it's not my fault. You're joking, bro.
Look how much gas can do.
Wait 1 second.
This is actually game breaking. Yo, you were supposed to get cards and I was just breaking the game.
Okay, so YOLO. Bro, no. Don't do it here, please. Yo, I know where to do it. Do it here, do it there. That corner there. Bro, look at this. Bro, I can do the glitch as well. I got a better glitch than yours.
Nah, what is it?
But how do you do your glitch?
Look, I'm freezing. I'm literally freezing. If you spectate me, look how fast I just did that. Look, I'm gonna do it in under like 3 seconds.
How quick do you get one?
I did it in like 1 second.
Oh, there's no point us telling everyone the glitch, bro.
Look,
only like.
Look, done the glitch. Look, 5 already. 5 already.
Okay. No. Drop every single one except from one. Let's see how quick we can both get each. Okay. You do your glitch over there. We'll start at 0 seconds. And when I'll tell you, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. 1,
3,
2, 4.
4.
Done.
Just done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Yo, we need more calls.
Yo, come, let's go. No, stop. Let's both go thingy. Find more.
Okay, let me just guess all of these up. Bring the cards up here, and I'll pop them.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm trying to find a taxi.
I need to fuel these trucks. They're so low.
Where?
They're on top. Need to fuel them.
I'm gonna go to Retail Road to find a taxi.
Sweaty Sands is the best place.
To find cars?
So good. Yeah, there's so much. I found like 3 Lamborghinis there, but I couldn't go. Lazy.
I'll tell you. No. Pleasant Park. I swear there's so many cars over here, but none of them. Yo, by the way, there's no taxi. It's not actually a car. You know this car over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's this car. Oh, you know some cars, they have this thing at the bottom here, but you can't drive them with.
I'm literally gonna get banned from Pile Up for doing this, you know. Like, this is the, like, do you know when people could do that infinite glitch or something?
Oh, yeah,
imagine you could do it with this.
Bro, You can get infinite gas cans, bro. Literally so
Yeah.
OP. Let's start thinking. Let's stop finding cars now. Okay, let's start thinking though. Getting more gas cans. Cause you just need to. You know, after this, you don't have to be right down. Let's see. Let's see if we can fill up an area with just gas cans.
Imagine. Let's go.
Don't
Imagine we make like a decoration.
Wait, come back up. Come back up. We both take one car.
Why?
Huh? That's 2 of each, any.
Nah. Just use a launch pad.
No.
Yeah.
Both take one car. Okay, there's one of these. We need to find one more of these, this kind. Are you looking? You know the taxi. You know how the taxi looks like.
Yeah,
We need to
one
find one of those,
ones.
and we need to find the OG bear, like the truck, like the mini truck.
There's loads of them in Lazy.
Yeah, we got 2 trucks, 2 Lambos.
No, we have
actually,
like
we got
5 Lambos or something.
We said that.
Yo, I found one of those trucks and I found a taxi.
Yeah, I need that. I'm gonna get the truck.
You get the truck. Oh, I found one of those like taxi likes.
Yeah.
The one you were talking about.
Yeah, prevalent. And by the way, the truck looking like is called Bear.
Oh, this one has like a yellow wheel, so I can't even drive that.
Yeah, I know. You know the one that have yellow thingies? No, bring the bear, bring the OG bear. There's already thingy over here.
No, I got one of these cars.
Oh yeah, by the way, this is gas cans in the middle of our...
Yo, how come it says BTS walking? Is that a song?
I don't know.
I hate BTS, man. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, look at these roads, man. This is so good. Yo, there's so many cars of this. Oh my days. If the ramp was bigger and it was from here, oh my days.
Yeah, sure though. It is sick.
Cause like, I have to drive all the way here.
Let's go though.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Oh, why not the brake?
Look behind you.
Oh yeah, you have to click triangle if you want the radio on. But just keep it off. There's 2 parking spots right here. To your right. There should be a parking spot. Right here. One at the corner, one here. You do the corner one because I'm not good with corners. Okay. Let's go. Let's fuel them up. No! I said I'll get one of these.
Oh. I'm going.
Oh! You know where I landed? Look, I landed right over here. Yo!
Oh!
YOLO! Yo! Now I'm running. No.
Whoa, I'm gonna fall.
No.
Oh my god.
Yo! No.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna try to find an OG bear. Okay, there's an OG bear right there. You know, I need a gas can. Yo, come with me here.
Wait, should I get choppers?
No. Don't get choppers. We don't need choppers. Choppers are old. Come.
Oh, imagine if I made a helipad.
Oh, what? Shush. Shh. Don't talk.
Me?
No, not you. I'm talking to my sister, bro. She's keep being. Oh, I found one right here. OG bear. Shh. 1 second.
Choppers in Warzone are so good. I swear down. Look how much gas cans.
Yo, can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Oh yeah, bring... Oh, forget it. I got a gas can now.
Okay. I just killed myself with gas cans.
How?
Do you know when you can pickaxe them and then explode them? I just did that.
There's
But I
one
wasn't
gas
near
can
the
glitched out.
sky base. I wasn't
in
near
the
the sky
air.
base.
There's just one gas can in the glitched out. It's in the air somehow, so I don't have no gas. And this thing only has 30. You come to me, yeah. With
Wait, I'm
gas
coming to
can.
the sky base. I'm going to the sky base because I killed myself. I need to get more gas.
Yeah, I need gas so bad. There's even one thing. I'm coming.
Yo, why does this look like? Okay.
Oh,
Looks
it's enough fuel. It's enough fuel. Let's go though.
I need to go off after like 10 minutes.
Go off.
Yeah, go off.
Oh.
Yo! Do you know all the gas cans exploded?
All of them.
Yeah, they're all gone except for one. Nah, look at this. Come up.
Oh, yo, I blew up the OG there with the one. It's on low
Yo, come
fuel,
on
though.
quickly. Look at all the gas cans. Do you have mats?
Yeah, I have some mats.
Because you need to build. I don't have any mats because I died.
Wait, really? Let me see what happened.
Nah, look at all of this.
Wow.
Watch out. Okay, build so I can get that one gas can.
Yo, park this.
Nah, I need the gas can.
Now I'll do it. I'll get the gas can.
No, I'm picking up. Okay.
It's not letting you. Yes,
Wait, I need to do something with.
Yo, can you park that thing? There's gas cans and all the way at the down. You know where the first launch pad is? Yeah, down there.
Yeah, I'm going down. Wait, I need to go. Wait. I'll do this quickly and then I'll go off. Okay. Stay up there and duplicate all of them.
Okay. And then we'll quickly thingy though. We'll have to quickly go off. No, not like, we'll have to thingy. Run them down. Or do you have to go off?
I need to go off.
Now. At the best.
Wait.
Sad.
We'll do it after, okay?
So you're trying to say to me to go off too? Or can I run them down?
No.
When are you gonna be on again?
Wait,
No,
I need to go off.
Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna run them down by myself for the live stream, and then you know what I'm gonna do. And then you know when you'll come back, I'm not gonna live stream, but we'll just run them down by ourselves. Okay?
Yo, if you stay in this battle for long, imagine. Okay, wait, let me just do this.
How long?
I'm coming up. Okay, safe, I have to go off.
When are you gonna go off? No, you broke it! No! No! My beautiful creation! No! So many cars! You wasted!
No way!
time!
No way!
Who broke that?
We'll do this after, okay?
No!
Yo, the cars are still there. Oh!
Wait.
The flying car.
Bro, the cars are floating! Yo, what the heck just happened to this? Oh my god, they were floating for 2 seconds. What? Okay. This just turned out to be a whole different thing now. Wow. So let's just ride around these. Yo, what the? Okay, we're just gonna ride around every car now. Come. I'm just gonna ride every car. Let's just see how they are. We can read them and everything. Let's go. What the heck? Oh my god, that was so sad. Okay, let's try riding these first. First one, broom, broom. Let's see if it's hot. Let's see if it's hot. Ooh, nice. This is actually nice. 37 miles per hour. That's so let's just end this video, or end this live stream off by just playing a quick game of, what should we play? A solo. Yeah, we'll just play a game, quick game of solos. Let's go. Let's get it. By the way, there you go. Got it, bro. Okay, quick game of solos. Okay, you know, I'm gonna change back to my skin I usually wear. I just got the battle pass, that's it. Yeah, I like the meteor a lot. A lot. Boom, boom, boom. Let me just check the item shop if I want anything. Omens, trash. Nobody likes that. But I don't. Dun, 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 dun. I don't have no V-Bucks. I'm gonna buy the next season battle pass. What?
Can you give me the next season?
Yeah, next season I'll gift you skin. You don't want it? Okay, I won't gift you that.
I do want a skin.
Okay, now go play.
Go do whatever you want. I want to skin.
But then you're not gonna play.
I know that. But I think I want to play this thing.
I can open this for you. Here, I'll open your tablet.
Look how low it is. Slow.
Yeah, put it on charge then. Okay, let's see though. Okay. Brum. Let's go. Headshot. Boom. Headshot. Miss every shot. Let's go. Pew. Oh, I tried to shoot, but let's hot drop. Let's go. Now about hate frenzy. No, I like this place. Yeah. Pleasant Park. The Coral Castle is so trash. Nobody likes it. Ew, that sounds weird. Where? Who lands here at a pub game? Unless you're a bar. But if you're like good as me, you can't. Oh, who lands in a tree? Oh, it's a bar. Oh God. Yeah, see, it's also 1, 2, 3. You can't, Thingy. You can't crouch anymore while you're drinking. Watch this trick shot. 3, 2, 1, boom. Easy, let's go. Hit that. We hit those. Wait, you can't? What? Sometimes it didn't let me crouch then. Okay, why am I stopping, bro? I need to scratch myself. Done. There you go. 1 second like that. Let me just 3, 2, 1. Boom. Easy shot. You wanna die too? Boom. Easy. Another one? Yeah, if I thought, be scared. Running. What? I just closed that door for no reason. What am I shooting for? Imagine. Okay, let's go push people. Bomb. about to be level 100. Let's go. Boom. Pow. Anybody anywhere, please? Oh, wow. Just wow. Oh, let's go, bro. Oh, that was close. Like, flip. Should have hit that, bro. Let's go. Oh, stop. Wow. No, easy. Let's go. Oh my god, that was so easy. That was. Let's go. Let's hold this med kit. Okay, let's go. I do, but the thing is I don't wanna. Oh, I hate Marauders so much. So annoying. So annoying they are. Chase you around the whole day. They literally want you dead so bad. Yo, your teammates over here? Your Marauders, your teammates over here? What are your teammates doing over here, Marauders? That's why I thought that's how bad they are. I hate them so much. What the heck? Damn, son, can I show you guys something sick? You know what? I don't want to get banned for this. I'm sorry, Epic Games. Don't ban me. Just go back a little bit. Yo, boy. God. Hate you. What are you talking about, huh? What are you talking about? Okay, I'm gonna end this here now. So, hello. Bye. 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 Options. Oh my god. Enter. Plus. What the heck is this? Okay, bye.